Hello everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello and welcome. Today is kit day and we will be revealing the newest Softlex design kit, and that one is called Book Lovers. And they do have a little challenge for the kit on their Facebook page, which is the VIB Studio group on Facebook, and you post your finished designs. This month's hashtag is book. So if you have this kit and you create a design with it, go ahead and post it in the VIB Studio group on Facebook using that hashtag, and you'll be entered to win a next month's kit. And that's how I won this one by entering one of my designs from their last challenges for exotic blooms. So we'll go ahead and get started and see what this wonderful kit has inside. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm always posting new content, so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And it gives us a little sneak peek of all the items that are inside, and then the exclusive items that are only found in this kit. Then we have a lot of new items. We had a little surprise because it is a book lovers design kit. They gave us a couple pages of some books. So I think that's going to be like our little crafting project or a mystery creative item. We'll see what we design with those. This is our kit. I see some really cool things in there. This bookmark, how fun is that to make your own personalized bookmark, either for yourself or a friend? They'll have bead strands made by Jesse James Beads, and they make their bead mixes as well. And that strand sold out super quickly. It was such a beautiful color palette. Oh, the little check glass hearts. Those are really pretty. They're like little opals, but they're like a purple color, very light lilac. We have a metallic antique brass Softlex medium wire. That's going to go really pretty with our little bookmark charm. So you can take your book pages that they've included in the kit and go ahead and glue them on. You'd have asymmetrical earrings. So I think that's really nice because no two will be alike, and then it's personalized. So that's really cool that you can go ahead and take your book pages and glue them on to the wooden findings. You could use paints, you could use markers. How fun is that? We have the glue stick. We have some specialty findings. We have our silver colorway and our 2x2s. And then we have these ones are our simple cuts, and they are 12 by 11 millimeter check glass amethyst simple cut beads. And these are exclusive to the kit. They do have some more of these. I think they were a little larger and a couple other colors on their website. We have our bag of specialty findings. So we'll look at those in just a moment. And then, of course, our Book Lover Bead Mix by Jesse James Beads. So we'll see what's inside. A lot of goodies in here. Oh, we have our check glass flowers. These are so beautiful. Have you seen all the new colors on softflexcompany.com? They're so beautiful. So many different designs you can make with these beautiful flowers. Then we have our ear findings. Oh, more little books. How cute. Once Upon a Time. So those would be cute for earrings. And then maybe fit the flowers. Those are really pretty. Oh, and we have some exclusive Tiara cast items. Our little lucky cats. Those are cute. And those are Tiara cast antique brass lucky cat charms. Look how well it's going to go with the antique brass Softlex wire. So we have our ear findings. We have some little lentil beads. A couple different styles of those and colors. And these ones are check glass light and dark brown lentils. So these are really nice when you string them on the Softlex wire. They can either be like little dangles or you can make them into a circle, maybe put the flower inside. So those are really pretty. And then you have a lobster claw in silver. So those are your specialty findings. Then, of course, we have these beautiful heart beads. I think those would look really pretty with the lentil beads and also that lucky cat as well. So let's dive in and see what our design elements book lover Jesse James bead mix has. So these flowers, they do have holes, so you can wire wrap them. I know, I think it was the specialty kit, they didn't have holes, so it was a little bit of a challenge to get them, to use them for beads. Acrylic beads, just look at the AB finish and how they sparkle. A lot of specialty beads, and that's super pretty, just the color combos. Very light and summery, kind of a pastel, but kind of going into those summer colors as well. These are just really pretty. They're faceted and wow, do they sparkle. Just like these beads, they almost look like the Paradise Shine, and they're just really neat cat. They're like a flat oval, but they sparkle. So that'd be fun if you're into making sun catchers or if you want a really sparkly pair of earrings. That's a good bead there. And then we have some teardrops and a beautiful sage green. We have some little pink cubes and then some lilac flowers. And these are acrylic, but they're really nice to do like little bead toppers on. And we have some round beads, and those are faceted and they have like a shine to them, like a shimmer coat. We have some dark purple, I think these are lantern beads. They have a shimmer on them. And of course, our metals, some bead caps, rondelles, then our little star spacers or daisy spacers. And these are really neat. They're rhinestones and there's 3 hole spacers, and you get 3 of those. So I was thinking you can either do like a bracelet or make some earrings out of them. So that'd be really fun to see what everybody designs with. So this is a really fun mix. Kind of takes it outside the box where you don't have to make just jewelry. You get to make the book charm, and then you get to do a little DIY crafting with the little wood pieces and some glue. And you can always use like a Mod Podge or maybe glue the beads on there. So I'm super excited to see what everybody designs with this kit. Softlex kits are absolutely fantastic. There's one every month and they come out the last Wednesday of the month. So don't forget to check those out and see the brand new kit. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content and upcoming tutorials. Have an awesome day.